Hello and welcome back to Kev's Vintage Tractor Repair channel. In today's episode we're going to be removing the pistons from our Fordson Super Dexta engine. So I hope you enjoy, and this episode is sponsored by MLQK. Hello, welcome back to Kev's Vintage Tractor Repair channel. We're back on the Dexta engine. In the previous episode, we took the timing cover, well, rear part of the timing cover off and the oil pump. So now we're left with the pistons and the crankshaft. That's what we're going to do today. So first of all, what we're going to do is take the pistons out. Get your camera out. Take a few pictures of what it's like and where everything is bolted together. The pistons and conrods are numbered, so 1, 2, 3. The numbers always go together. I'll show you when we get it on the table. You'll see that. Think about where that is. Then the numbers are this side. This is where the oil pump is. Some engines, if you got them the wrong way round, they wouldn't rotate. All right, so just save that little bit of messing about. Makes things a little bit easier for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start undoing these 11/16 nuts and we'll start removing the pistons. So these are sort of a lock nut as such, so we'll probably replace, well, we will replace those. So let's undo this. There we go. Okay, so that one has dropped and is spinning, so there we go. And put them all in the box ready to be cleaned afterwards. Okay, that's the other end of the bolt. Out. There's the conrod bolt. All right, if we can see, there's a flat on one side which that goes towards the conrod. So when you're doing it up, it locks itself in place. You ain't got another spanner on the other side. So that's that. So what we'll do, we'll lift that cap off. That's there. All right, and then what we'll do, we'll have a better look once we get it all out. So that's number 3. We've got to here, we're taking the cap off. All right, so what we might want to do is just rotate the engine slightly. All right, because what we've got, if you have a look, we have the weights, balancing weights on there. So what we'll do, just undo it all the way down. And then if we give a push, I've rotated the engine, all right, and pushed the piston down as far as I can. Get yourself an old bit of wood, it's an old hammer handle, and gently go down there, and then there we go. That should. Now it comes. There's number 3. So we'll lay all these out, and then what we'll do, we'll have a look. So I shall carry on. The only reason that was a bit tight, it was caught up on the top edge of the liner as such. There's a load of carbon built up on there. Lift number 2 cap off. It's leaving the shells behind. So if anything's going to come loose, just take them out. There we go. There we go. That's number 2 out. There we go. Another one out. So number 1, what we need to do, rotate the engine. So it's going down. There we go. And just tap this one out. There we dropped it. Right. Okay, so let's start on number 1, as this is sort of nearest us. There's number 1. Not too bad, it's seen worse. All right, so it's not too bad. So let's have a look at the bottom. The white metal, the wearing metal, is long gone. So we're just down to the base metal of what this was made with, and we can actually see the score marks and see what's been picking up dirt and grime all over the years. And I would say they were probably the original ones in there. So that's a set. So that's number 1. This is number 2. Piston, more or less same condition, but good. We see again big wear marks in there again. All right, and even the oil groove is just about gone in there. All right, so that's number 2. So then what we'll do, let's have a look at number 3. Let me give that a bit of a wipe. So if we can see here, you see where it's been picking up on the side of the bore. You see these score lines, and you can see in all where it's quite hard to see, but in where the piston rings sit, it's just carbon and just blocked right up. So let's say do a little overhaul. We'll just have a look at the shell in that one. So quite even wear across all the pistons, but it's just worn, just tired. So a good overhaul, and like I say, the engine will be good to go again. That's the pistons out. All right, so they're out. We've had a quick look. All right, what I'm going to do, I'll wash everything up, and what we'll do, we'll have another more of a detailed look if we can. So I'll go through the oil pump and different bits and pieces. I will take them apart on the bench, and we'll just see how worn they are. So that's the end of that episode, removing the pistons. Next time, what we'll be doing is removing the crankshaft, and we'll have a bit of a look at that. So hope you enjoyed that episode, little quick one. Please leave any comments, all right, and I'll do my best to get back to you. So see you later.